In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make bitterleaf soup. This recipe is the authentic Anambra styled Ofe Onugbu. This recipe is the best of them all. Rich, thick, and absolutely delicious. The best you ever have. If you are interested and you want to learn how to make it, stay tuned and let's get straight into the video. This is Obi Kitchen and you're welcome to my channel. For this recipe, I'll be using fresh bitter leaves, African bitter leaves. In this video, I'll be showing you and demonstrating to you how to properly wash and clean your bitter leaves before making Ofe Onugbu. Bitterleaf soup or Ofe Onugbu is a delicacy from the southeastern part of Nigeria, served in special occasions. Anambra bitterleaf soup is specially made with cocoyam and a special seasoning called ogiri. Ogiri adds a unique taste to your Ofe Onugbu and makes it stand out. After picking the bitter leaves from the stem, I will go ahead and boil the meat for this recipe. Here I have frozen beef, tripe, and cow skin. I had already washed the meat, the cow skin, earlier before freezing them, so they are clean. And in here, I'll also add the stockfish. Stockfish is difficult and hard to cook, so I'll be boiling it together with the meat. Season with some salt to taste, seasoning cube. Then I will cover to cook till soft and tender. Let it simmer a bit, bring out the juice before I will add the water to properly cook the meat. Let me just flip this over. Then I'll be adding enough water now to cook the meat proper till soft and tender. While the meat is cooking, I'll just go ahead and prep every ingredient necessary for this recipe. The first thing I'll be doing is to wash the bitter leaves. I have transferred all the picked bitter leaves into a clean bowl. I'll be adding some water now to wash and squeeze the bitter leaf. To wash and squeeze your bitter leaves, you need to use your 2 hands inside the bowl, get hold of the leaves, and adding pressure, squeezing like you're kneading a dough. You knead and squeeze with your 2 hands. Knead and turn. You knead and turn, adding pressure. You can see it has changed now. As you squeeze, the juice keeps coming out. The aim is to remove and squeeze out every bitter juice from the leaves. You can see the juice comes out, the bitter juice comes out foamy and dark in color. So as you squeeze, you add some water. Keep squeezing and changing water as many times as possible until your bitter leaf comes out clean with little or no bitter taste. I'll be changing water as I squeeze this one. You can see it's very dark in color. I'll squeeze them out, add fresh water, then keep washing until I am done removing all the bitter juice from the leaves. If you cook with it without squeezing, it's going to be too bitter for your taste bud to handle. I have poured out the first juice, which is very dark and bitter. Now I'll be changing water. I'll be adding fresh water and keep squeezing until you get a lighter foam and the juice lighter in color. And when you taste your bitter leaf, you will notice the bitterness has drastically reduced. The next ingredient I'll be preparing is the cocoyam. The cocoyam serves as a thickener in bitterleaf soup. There can never be Anambra bitterleaf soup without the cocoyam. This is the species of cocoyam to use, the smaller, tinier ones that is hairy. So to clean the cocoyam, you remove the hairs at the back, pick them out, wash, and I'll be boiling the cocoyam till they are soft and tender. We are going to pound the cocoyam into a smooth paste for this recipe. If this is your first time on this channel, like this video, share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more easy food recipes. Remember to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified each time I upload a new video. So when I'm done cleaning the cocoyam, I'll be transferring it to the pot on the fire to cook. Be washing it clean, then transfer it into my pot. Cover it up to cook till soft and tender. It's very important for the cocoyam to be very soft before you pound it. While the cocoyam is on the fire, I'll just go ahead and finish up the washing of the bitter leaf. Look what we have here. Look at the bitter leaf. After washing your bitter leaves, it must look like this. It is all washed and clean now. Let me taste for bitterness. It's nice, but there's still little bitterness left in it, so I'll be boiling the bitter leaves. So I'll be transferring the washed bitter leaf into a pot on the fire with enough quantity of water to cover the bitter leaves. I'll be boiling it for 20 minutes before using it to cook the onugbu soup. The next thing I'll be doing is to wash and clean the smoked fish. So now I'll be adding some warm water into the fish. Wash and clean it properly. Don't use cold water to wash your smoked fish. Warm water is preferable to wash and clean the smoked fish. So after washing them, I will set it aside and prep other ingredients. Wash and scrub properly. I added some salt to wash this. It's important to use smoked fish for your bitter leaf soup. It makes it taste even better. Wash and clean the smoked fish, properly scrubbing it to get rid of dirt and sands. Now, the cocoyam is well cooked, soft and tender. Time to pound the cocoyam. So before pounding, you peel off the skin of the cocoyam while it is still hot. You can keep cold water to be dipping your hands in water to make sure you peel it off while the cocoyam is still very hot. That is when you can pound or process your cocoyam to get a very smooth paste to avoid lumps in your cocoyam paste. You can also use the blender to blend your cocoyam, or you use your food processor. Any one you choose is okay, provided you get a very smooth cocoyam paste. Make sure you pound your cocoyam until you get a smooth and stretchy consistency like this one. The meat is ready now. It is well cooked, soft and tender. Other ingredients prepped and ready. Time to add all the ingredients to make our bitter leaf soup. That authentic Anambra styled Ofe Onugbu. Into the pot, I will go in with the smoked fish. Then the bitterleaf fish. The next ingredient I'll be adding is the crayfish. Then the next one is the habanero pepper, crushed habanero pepper. Or you can use any pepper of your choice, fresh or dried pepper is okay. The next thing is the seasoning cube. Then I'll be adding some water into the pot now. Then I'll cover it up and let it boil for like 2 minutes before I proceed. After boiling for 2 minutes, I'll be introducing some more water into the pot, enough water to cook the soup. Add enough water to cover all the ingredients. So I am adding 2 of this bowl. Then the next ingredient I'll be adding is the cocoyam paste. Bitter leaf soup needs enough water to cook well, for the ingredients to cook well, especially the cocoyam paste, to be able to cook well, dissolve and thicken the soup. So I'll be adding the next ingredient now, which is the palm oil. To make bitter leaf soup, you don't need too much oil, so be careful the way you add your oil. Too much of palm oil spoils your bitter leaf soup. Then I'll cover to cook till it mixes and blends well. The cocoyam paste will gradually dissolve into the soup while cooking. Now I'll be introducing the star of the moment, which is the ogiri paste. Ogiri seasoning is a game changer in Ofe Onugbu, that is bitterleaf soup. Ogiri is a native African seasoning for soups. Ogiri gives your bitterleaf soup that flavor, taste, and aroma. It makes your bitterleaf soup unique. I'm adding some salt to taste now. There can never be a good bitterleaf soup without ogiri. I'm giving it a good stir to mix well and combine. Then I will go ahead and cover the pot to cook until the cocoyam paste dissolves properly. While it's cooking, open the pot occasionally and give it a good stir. If you notice the cocoyam paste is fully dissolved now, it is time to add the bitter leaf. Make sure you squeeze out every form of liquid from your bitter leaf before adding it into your soup. Bitter leaf is very rich in vitamins and minerals. It is also high in antioxidants. Bitter leaf is a good source of fiber and so nutritious. This bitterleaf soup recipe is a very easy and simple one. If you love bitterleaf soup, follow this video, follow the details, and you'll be able to achieve a very good and high quality bitterleaf soup at home. The authentic Anambra Ofe Onugbu. If you like this recipe, try it out and let me know the outcome in the comment section. Bitterleaf soup can be served with any swallow of your choice. You can pair it with eba, or fufu, or semo, even cornmeal, or plantain fufu. Any swallow you so desire will go well with this bitterleaf soup. Keep stirring the soup at intervals until you notice the soup as thick as you want, and you taste the bitter leaf and it tastes very soft, the soup delicious, and everything fully combined. Then you are good to go. At this point, our authentic Anambra styled bitter leaf soup is almost ready. Ofe Onugbu. And I'll be turning off the heat. Then I'll be serving this Ofe Onugbu with fufu. If this is your first time on this channel, give me a like, share this video, subscribe to this channel for more easy food recipes. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Drop me a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you love your Ofe Onugbu. Our delicious bitterleaf soup is ready. Bring your plates, let's enjoy this together. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.